Welcome to this video. Today we will be testing the AdwCleaner, which is targeted at removing adware off of the computer. And have you ever had a situation where you open up your web browser and suddenly the homepage is different, the search engine is different, you suddenly have a toolbar up here that you didn't have before? This is adware. And a lot of times it's confused with a virus, and it's definitely bad, but it's not the same as a virus. It's something where you, the user, has installed something bad on the computer and it needs to be removed. Now, the AdwCleaner is targeted at removing this adware, even more so at browsers to keep them clean and functioning the way they should be. So I've installed some adware on this computer, specifically on the web browsers, and we're going to test the AdwCleaner to see if it can get all of it out of there and back to working condition and clean it out. Now this is the program itself, the AdwCleaner. I'm just going to use the default settings to see what happens. We're going to go ahead and hit scan now, and we'll see what happens. The scan has completed and it has come back with several results, actually, a lot of results here. We can actually extend the list and see what it found. And so again, just make sure all the boxes are checked, and then we're going to go ahead and click on this quarantine button and then continue. And then we're going to go ahead and click on this restart now button. And then after a computer restart, it looks like it has finished the cleaning. It gives us a log of everything that was deleted and removed. So let's go ahead and check our browsers real quick and just see how they look. And it looks like there may be still some on there. Let's check the extensions. So we still have some junk on Google Chrome. Let's check over here on Firefox. Excuse me, we got to go to add-ons. And we still got a little bit there. So we're going to try one more scan and see what happens. Alright, the second scan has also come back with some results. So we're going to go ahead and quarantine again and restart the computer a second time. After the second computer restart, we can see that it cleaned out additional items. Now let's check our browsers a second time. And it looks like we still got some junk on there. It definitely did remove some items though, so let's check this other one. Now one thing you have to keep in mind, even when it removes the bad stuff out of the browser, you'll still need to go in and change your settings back, but it looks like the toolbar is still there. So we're going to do just one more scan, and it came back with what I believe are the same results it had last time. And so we'll give it one more shot here to quarantine them, and then we'll restart again. Now at this point we're going to go ahead and change the settings. So before we were just using the default settings, and now we're going to make some changes here. And I believe that's all we need at the moment. And then let's go back to the dashboard and hit scan now. And then we'll go ahead and click on quarantine and then restart. At this point I'm going to go ahead and minimize AdwCleaner. We'll just check our browsers again, and we can still see that there's still some junk on there. And so we're going to go ahead and run a second opinion scan. And the program we're using is Malwarebytes Anti-Malware, which also scans for adware. And so we're going to go ahead and scan now. Now Malwarebytes Anti-Malware has completed its scan and found 560 results. Now the one thing we do need to make sure of is that these are all adware. And we can see if I filter by threat type that they are all coming up as potentially unwanted programs, which is adware. And so we can see that the AdwCleaner did miss quite a bit. So we're just going to make sure all those boxes are checked. Now, I should mention right now that AdwCleaner was never, ever designed to target serious infections, but it is targeted at adware specifically, and this is all adware, and it should have picked this up. So we're going to go ahead and quarantine all of these, and then we'll go ahead and restart. Now the computer has finished restarting after the Malwarebytes scan, and let's open up our browsers again, and we can see that there is still some stuff here. And so in fairness, even Malwarebytes Anti-Malware did not remove everything, and this is a testament as to why in my cleaning videos I teach you how to manually go into the browsers and clean them out, as well as how to go into your programs list and look for bad items, because at some point there is no scanner out there that's going to pick up everything, and this illustrates that very, very well. Regardless, there was a lot of adware results that the AdwCleaner missed. There were also 4 results that it kept detecting over and over and over again because it could not successfully quarantine them. I think the AdwCleaner is a good program. Has it kind of fallen off a little bit? Yes, I think so. A few years ago, I think they had a little bit better of an edge, and then they also combined some functionality from the junkware removal tool into the AdwCleaner. But at this point, it's kind of like, why should I be running this program when Malwarebytes is going to pick up more? I do think that this is something that you could run more on a daily basis, but you do have to keep in mind that there are some things that it's just going to miss. As a final note, you can go into Settings and click on the Remove button to remove all traces of the AdwCleaner off of your computer. But that's everything for this video. If you have any comments or questions, please post them down below. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you have a great day. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you found it helpful, please go ahead and consider sharing it. And please also consider subscribing to my channel, and don't forget to hit that bell icon to get notifications on future videos.